Hi, this is Gene with Fuse Service, and today we're going to talk about upgrading your HVAC system for more energy efficiency. And number one, installing the smart thermostat, or replacing your regular thermostat with a smart one. Why it's called smart? Because that type of thermostat, like in Google Nest or Ecobee, they learning your habits and then they are controlling your HVAC system. Doesn't matter if you are at home or you're somewhere out of the home. So it knows in what time of the day, what temperature you like in your house, and it's just adjusting that temperature all the time to keep your system running efficiently. It means that if you are not at home and you forgot to turn off your HVAC, your thermostat, it will recognize that you are not at home and will lower the temperature or rise the temperature, depends on heating or cooling, just to keep it running efficiently. Number two, providing regular maintenance to your HVAC system. So regular maintenance is not only replacing your air filter, which is sometimes accessible, sometimes is not only replacing that filter, but also maintaining the system itself, checking the wiring, checking the refrigerant charge, checking the natural gas pressure if we are talking about the furnace. So just to be sure that everything working properly, because if system is not working properly, system is not working efficiently. Number three, upgrading your system to the multi-zone system. With the multi-zone system, you can control temperature in different zones of your house separately. In terms of energy efficiency, what does it mean? It means that you can heat up or cool down only that part of the house which you are using right now. So you don't waste your energy on heating up unoccupied areas of your house. Number four, repair and replacement of your ductwork. Ductwork is a crucial part of your HVAC system. Just imagine, you spent all of your hard-earned money on heating the air in your house, but part of that air just went out into the attic or in a crawl space. You spent $100 to heat your house and you lost $50 to nowhere. That is where your air is leaking from damaged or old ductwork. So repairing or replacing that ductwork will not only increase the energy efficiency of your system, but also will save some money. And number five is replacing of the attic insulation. So the insulation in your attic is the barrier for the hot air to come inside your house or for the cold air to escape your house. So it's like a membrane. If you have really good insulation, so you are not wasting energy on cooling down or heating up the environment around your house, but you're only using all of the energy only for the comfort in your house. And number six, gonna be installing the energy recovery ventilator. This is just a kind of ventilator which is pushing fresh air from outside to your house. Okay, just imagine the situation. It's pretty hot in your house and it's not comfortable for you, and it's just about the time to turn on your AC. But it's a morning time and it's pretty chilly outside, so instead of turning on your AC system, you can turn on this ventilator and it will push some cold air from the outside back into your house, cooling it down. The second thing why you might consider to install the energy recovery ventilator is that when your regular HVAC system is working, there is no fresh air coming from the outside inside your house. You just circulating same air again and again and again through the system. But with the energy recovery ventilator, you will push some fresh air all the time to your house just to renew that air, so to be sure that you are breathing with a nice clean air. And number seven, going to be replacing of your existing system to the new high efficiency system. When we are talking about efficiency of the system, usually we are talking about SEER rating of the system. SEER means seasonal energy efficiency rating. So the bigger number of that rating is, the more efficient system you have. Let's say regular HVAC systems are hovering around 14 SEER. Nowadays, energy efficient systems or efficient systems starts from 17 SEERs. In fact, that number, what does it mean? It means that, let's say, with a 15 SEER system, for each watt of energy, your system is producing 15 BTUs of cold air. BTUs is British temperature units, just the units that we are counting the amount of heat. So swapping your system from low efficiency to the high efficiency, in fact, what it means that for the same amount of energy that you use in your house, your high efficiency system gonna be providing you more cold air or more hot air. That's it. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.